Ladies and gents, welcome back to another video. Today I have got an American clone padlock. It's a Squire SAL /40 and this is going to be my first addition to Stock Lock Sunday. I've picked this lock before, quite a while ago when I first got it. Not picked it since, so can't really remember what it was like to pick. Well, I have dropped into a full set. I'm using a Southward Max Shield medium hook. From the M3000B set, I think it is. What I actually might do, now we're in this full set, is get a good old Nessie in here, have a little scrub around, if I can, and just follow the warden. Rock it up. It's a dead core, and the locks are not fighting against any spring tension. Get the fucker out and see if there's any pins. One picked. That's amazing. Still got a nice full set. switch tension to top of the keyway. I'll get a lot more wiggle room from the top. Maybe that wasn't such a great idea. Seemed like it at the time though. And did I get a pick out of that there? No. We still have our full set after all that, which is a benefit to these thingy cores. I think that's what's got an open now though, thank God. Yep. There we go, and that was the clasp, just opening the hasp clasp. Zoom out a little bit. Okay, so that was the Squire SAL 40. Sorry for a bit of a long pick there. Quite a cool lock. I'm going to do another video on this, and it will be part of a giveaway at some point as well, because I think it is a really good lock for kind of newbies that have mastered their master locks and things like that to practice on. So, but I'll do another video of me picking it and gutting it. I just unfortunately don't have time today. I've been at work and now I'm going to meet friends and take the missus for dinner. So hope you guys have a lovely Sunday. Take it easy, please subscribe, and thanks for coming back if you've been before.